Hello, everybody. Thanks so much for joining me today. We are gonna be doing a little art, and I got this mirror. Finally, I found it at the Dollar Tree, and I'm trying to get this. Let me just get rid of this piece over here. Yeah, that's just to make it easier. So I'll save this for another project. Now I already have the mirror. I took it out of the frame, and I saved the frame for something else, and I already cut two. I'm gonna cut two more. Actually, I just want to show you how I got it. I don't really need another two, but I will show you. You put the mirror here and you draw it, and then you get your knife and you just very carefully, so you don't miss your line, then you just cut it. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be gluing it, and I think I want to glue, so let me save that for later. I'm gonna glue two pieces. Let me put that on the side, because this is how I want it. I want it thick enough to use these. And on these, I want to show you guys, because I'm gonna be using, I want to be to go on top, so I'm gonna be going like this. I think before I put this up, I'm gonna be putting the feet. Debating. We'll see. But I think this is how I want it. That size. And I did mess it up a little bit, so I'm gonna save this one for later. I can use with something else. Actually, I can use this one at the bottom. There you go. Perfect. So let me glue these. And I already glued this to make the video shorter. See, I got one side with two, one side with just one. And I did this, that, and this. And you have to make sure you know which side you're going to be going on which location. So, here. So let me glue this and I'll be back.